In this demonstration, we're going to look at a really nice oxidation reduction reaction, the oxidation of magnesium with the oxygen from the air. If we look at this, because these are in their elemental form, the oxidation numbers of those elements in that form is considered to be 0. When the magnesium is oxidized with the air, the magnesium now becomes a +2 oxidation state and the oxygen a -2 oxidation state. Here I have a little ribbon of magnesium, and it is definitely being oxidized in the air right now. In fact, it has a pretty good oxidation layer on it right now. But that oxidation is relatively slow. What we're going to do is pick the oxidation rate up a little bit by putting the magnesium strip into a flame. This is a really neat reaction. Let me get the flame going here, like so. And I'm going to grab onto the magnesium strip, and we're going to put it into the flame. You see a very brilliant, bright flame coming off of there. And if we could look at the camera onto the desktop right here, we can see that what's left, there are little bits of magnesium ribbon, but mostly a white powder. And the white powder is the magnesium oxide. Now, many years ago, this brightness from this flame was used to a really great advantage by improving photography. It was very, very common in the 1950s, 60s, and 70s to have what are called flash bulbs or flash cubes. I have an example of a flash cube right here that fit on top of a camera. And the flash cube consisted of a little bulb, usually a plastic bulb, that was backfilled with oxygen and then some magnesium wool in there, which is really stringy magnesium. There's a battery in the camera. You press the camera to take the button to take a picture. It would send electric current through the magnesium wool, which would be enough energy to react with the oxygen to get the same sort of a reaction that we just saw right here. So you got a very, very bright flash that provided the background light that you needed. There were different versions of these. Here's a different version on a 110 millimeter camera that the camera looks like so. We can put it on there like this. You can take a picture. You could take 4 of them there. The flash cube had 4. And that's really handy that you could turn it around. And then you'd have 4 more flashes like so. Cameras in your phone or modern cameras nowadays use an electronic flash. But you can definitely see from this reaction how we could use the magnesium oxygen reaction to create artificial light.